What's up, guys? Today we have an awesome treat for you guys. A set of Ray's TE37. Super happy that we got these in. Amazing specs, amazing colors. Waited like 5 months for these wheels. Let's check it out. I think my favorite thing about unboxing a set of T37s just so happens to be the legendary T37 sticker that is presented before the wheel. Kind of gets you ready for what's to come. Pulling off the dust cover, the lip just blew me away on this one. On this specific T37 SL, it is an 18 by 11, -40, 5x1 14.3, with a polished lip and a pressed graphite finish on the face. Beautiful wheel, and this just doesn't do it any justice. I just have to take it outside and show you guys exactly how beautiful this wheel really is. Remember, guys, if you guys have any more questions on any of the products that we carry here in stock, or if you want to know more about our T37 selection, you can always give us a call at 407-846-8430, or check out our website at speedzone-web.com.